Nature is Moral Code by me, Aiden Frischels. I need you to picture a world where, just like humans, wolves will share food with the rest of their pack, dolphins will comfort their hurt loved ones and friends, and birds will warn each other of danger all throughout the community. You don't have to imagine. These behaviors are found all throughout nature and in humans ourselves. Us humans, often think of morality as a human construct, a human concept, or an idea, as it is just too big for other animals to comprehend. But it might just be a product of nature itself. It might be a product of evolution. Today, I will be talking about 3 examples or aspects of morality: cooperation, fairness, and selflessness, all found throughout nature that suggest that there's a natural moral code. The first aspect is cooperation. Cooperation is a key aspect in a natural moral code. For example, wolves will share food after a hunt to ensure survival, as stated before. Meerkats will take shifts guarding while others forage, showing that there's a collective responsibility, right? Furthermore, there's been research done from the proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, PNAS, that found that chimpanzees would rather work together, would rather collaborate on certain tasks than work alone. They think there's a natural drive to just work together. And this cooperation leads to increases in survival and reproductive success, as they're helping each other out and they believe in it too. They believe in this sense of working together. The second aspect is fairness, equality. It's also essential to a natural moral code. There was a study done, a famous study, some people say it's famous, Brosnan and Dewall. They gave capuchin monkeys the same task. They gave different monkeys the same task, and for completing that task, they gave them unequal rewards. And the monkeys that got the less rewards didn't like that. They thought that there should be a sense of equality. They were looking around and they see that others got more for the same task. They think there should be an equality. On a more natural aspect, vampire bats will share blood meals with others who have helped them before, who have given them blood meals, showing that there's an expectation of mutual benefit or treatment, right? They believe in each other, essentially, that each other should be treated equally. These behaviors suggest that fairness isn't a purely human construct, but rather a trait embedded in the fabric of nature itself, right? Lastly, we have selflessness and altruism. This is the third aspect I will be talking about, and it's the idea that helping the species itself rather than yourself. On an extreme case, bees will die for the protection of the hive, and when they sting, just a little sting, their organs literally get ripped out and they will die because they don't have organs. On a more less extreme case, elephants will help distressed or injured members, even if it doesn't benefit them in any way. They have a natural instinct to just help each other, right? And this gives an evolutionary benefit. This selflessness allows the species to stay around long term, and it strengthens the social bonds between these animals, also further making the species live longer, the species itself. In conclusion, nature provides countless examples of a moral code in action. Cooperation, fairness, and selflessness prove that morality may not just be a human construct, but a product of nature. So next time you see a pride of lions on a video, or a pack of wolves on a video, or in nature, I assume on a video, right? Just think of like the moral aspect at work, that these animals cooperating may be cooperating because of this moral force that's woven right into the fabric of nature itself. Thank you.